In this video, we'll explore how to extract mentions from text, focusing on identifying social media mentions using regular expression patterns. You'll learn to identify and extract username patterns. Let's define what mentions are. Mentions are social media references that tag specific users. They use the symbol followed by their username. Some examples include @John_Doe, @user123, and @company_name. Let's start with a basic regular expression pattern. A simple pattern to match mentions is followed by \W+. This matches the symbol followed by one or more word characters. Now let's break down this pattern. The symbol matches the literal character. \W represents a word character, which includes lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z 0 to 9, and the underscore character. The plus sign indicates one or more occurrences of the preceding character. Here's how you can implement this in Python. First, import the re module. Define a text string such as hello @John and @Mary. Next, set your pattern equal to or followed by the string @\W+. Finally, use the re-findAll function to find all occurrences of the pattern in the text. Print the result, which will output a list containing @John and @Mary. Now let's enhance our regular expression pattern. An improved pattern is followed by square brackets, a to z 0 to 9 underscore, all enclosed in square brackets, followed by a plus sign. This provides more precise character matching for user names. This is an explicit character set definition. It prevents unicode issues and offers more predictable matching. Let's explore an even more advanced regular expression pattern. This pattern is \B @square brackets a to z 0 to 9 underscore, all enclosed in square brackets plus sign \B. This ensures proper word boundaries for accurate matching. This pattern won't match email addresses and correctly matches social mentions. Here's a complete Python function to extract mentions from text. Define a function called extract_mentions which takes text as an argument. Inside the function, import the re module. Set the pattern to our \B @square brackets a to z 0 to 9 underscore, all enclosed in square brackets plus sign \B. Use the re-findAll function to find all occurrences of the pattern in the text. Finally, return the mentions. Now let's look at an example usage. If the text is follow @Python_dev and @code_guru, the function will extract the mentions, resulting in a list containing @Python_dev and @code_guru. Here are some key takeaways from this video. Start with simple patterns and refine them as needed. Use word boundaries for precision. Always test your patterns with edge cases. And finally, combine regular expressions with Python functions for efficient text processing. An effective pattern for extracting social media mentions with high accuracy is \B @square brackets a to z 0 to 9 underscore, all enclosed in square brackets plus sign \B. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.